Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Welcome to Kissan Tiffin Timetable. India's top favorite chefs are bringing you 200 recipes for 200 school days. So today's recipe is Spaghetti Masala Bhurji. Use this dish as an opportunity to add a lot of vegetables into it so that your kids get used to eating a lot of vegetables, which is good for you. So let me show you how to create हर दिन नया टिफिन, हर दिन एक एम्प्टी टिफिन. So a little bit of oil in the pan, and first let's saute some vegetables, some onions, green bell pepper, some mixed peppers and some tomatoes. Now use this recipe to use different kinds of seasonal vegetables which are fresh in the market, which are always good for you. Give this a nice toss. Let's add our spices. So we have a little bit of red chilli powder, a bit of turmeric and some Dhania powder. Okay. So once you have that beautiful aroma of the spices, they are being cooked. So once the vegetables are lightly soft, add our tomato ketchup, which is going to make this dish fabulously, because the tomato ketchup will add a lot of zing and a little moistness to the recipe. Next, I have some beaten eggs, which I'm going to add into this. So at this point, you can add a little bit of milk to this recipe as well. So you have all the good things in this recipe. You have vegetables, you have eggs, you have milk, totally rich in protein for your kid. So we don't have to really dry out this bhurji, because as you know, the internal heat actually cooks it. Let's add a little bit of salt. Some spring onions. Some fresh coriander. Next, we have some spaghetti which has been pre-cooked. So we're just going to break it a little bit. Fantastic. And then simply just mix this together, and using your spatula, you can literally chop it up like a tuck, and our dish is ready. Some fresh coriander. Fabulous. So let's assemble our tiffin. So a few almonds, very good for your child. Pomegranate, an excellent blood purifier and antioxidant. And then finally, our spaghetti bhurji. Perfecto. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe to India Food Network. I'm going to be back again tomorrow to show you how to make har din naya tiffin, har din empty tiffin. See you soon.
This show is backed and powered by Kissan.